What's up, people? So let's do something Forexy today. Forex trading, guys, one of my favorite things to do. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a bit of technical analysis on Forex markets and just tell you how you can go about doing very simple analysis that can make you money, like 1,000 a day, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 a day, easy peasy, right? I wanna show you a few tricks that you can use to make money. And remember, we're using FX Trader. So if you want the link, demo link is below in the description. If you want to open a live account and start trading, it's in the description as well. So guys, all you need to do is understand your brokerage account or the platform you're using well enough, understand the interface, how to interact with it, and then you can now move into technical analysis. So yes, I'm going to show you that particular platform. I've done a video on it. If you want to get the basics, you can check out that video in the link somewhere below, or I'll link it somewhere here. So all we need to do today is a very simple process. We just want to look at the interface of FX Trader, see if it's something that's usable, that's intuitive and good and efficient, and then we do some technical analysis on it. Anyway, let's get over to my screen without further ado. FX Trader, I launched it from this board here, so you can take this one, and if you want a window version, downloaded version on your desktop, you can come here at FX Pesa and choose which one fits you. If you want to use it on a mobile phone, here are the options. I've done a video on these basics, so today we're not going to waste so much time on that. So we want to look at Forex trading. We want to look at some of the simple analysis you can do. And one of the most important things I want to touch on today is which pairs should you be trading? Very important question. A lot of people come to me and they ask me, hey, what pair do you think I should trade? I'm going to give you 4 to 5 pairs, Forex pairs that I believe you should trade. If you don't know anything about Forex, remember, I do training on Forex, plus there's so much information out there about Forex. You can always get the basic things. If you come to me, you're coming to get a very straight strategy that would help you start making money as soon as possible. Of course, there are a number of sessions you have to do. It depends on your knowledge, how long you've been practicing, how fast you master these things. But I focus more on the strategy. I don't waste so much time on theory. We go straight to the charts. I teach you how to enter trade, how to exit a trade, what strategy to use, what plan to follow, so trading plan, trading strategy, and basically having all the tools that can give you the opportunity to start making money in the markets. Okay, guys, so I'm in the market right now, FX Trader. This is a web version. You can always search for your assets here. You can see Forex if you want Forex, and you can see loads and loads of them here. So it depends on which one you actually want to trade. Now, choosing the pair to trade is a very important part of this game. You want to be sure that you are trading a good pair with the liquidity and volume. It's like when you go to a market, you want to sell something but there are no buyers, or you want to buy something but there are no sellers. So you need to find a pair that has liquidity, a pair that is used by many people, a pair that is used not by many people generally, but really is widely used or widely accepted or widely traded as well. So what are those pairs that you want to trade? Number one, knowing. So why do you need to know which pairs? Number one, it reduces the time you use to analyze what pair to trade on a daily basis. So you know which pairs you will be trading. Number two, it reduces the amount of time you spend trying to find a pair and the confusion within that. So sometimes when you're busy trying to find which pair to trade, you're losing opportunities in the market. Then the most important part is that when you choose a pair, you get to know that pair. You get to know the movements of the pair. You get to know how it behaves. You get to know intricate details about it. It's like knowing your car. It's like something you drive every single day. You know it in and out. When it behaves a certain way, you know what to expect, you know what to do. So when you trade very specific pairs, 2, 3, or 4, you know exactly what to expect in the market. It gives you an edge in the market when you're trading compared to someone who's just trading that pair probably for the first time. So which pairs are good in terms of liquidity? Which pairs are good in terms of volume? Which pairs also gives a nice volatility that can make you good money, good moves? Okay, so number one, I would say AUD USD is a big one. Here it is. AUD USD is a big one. Euro USD as well. That's a good one. And you can see how the euro has dropped in the last few. Is this? Let's do a daily. Last few days. Yes, last few days. And then we have GBP USD, one of the best pairs to trade. That's 3 already. And then we have GBP Euro, this one. And then we also have USD JPY is also good. It's also really, really good. And then Canadian as well. USD CAD, this one, really nice. For instance, look at this one. Look at that chart. Amazing chart. So these are the pairs you want to trade, right? So you know which pair you want to trade, but you want to add them to your workspace. You know them every single day. You don't come here and start looking through all these pairs trying to choose which one to trade. It's just a waste of your time and makes trading less efficient. Okay? Anyway, so you know the pair you want to trade. You know your platform too well, like last time we discussed. Now what you want to do is expand this platform. So just this side really is just the assets to trade, and then on the right hand side, on my right hand side, will be mainly the panel of buying, the trading panel. So you can sell, you can buy, you can do whatever. You can see we have stop loss levels here, how many pips you want to put as a stop loss, what level do you want to take your profit, do you want to do it by value or by pips, depending. The margin required, you know, the amount of money you'll have earned under pips value. So all these things are here, and you should try to familiarize yourself with this platform before you start trading. Anyways, so you can see this chart, for instance. Good chart, right? Has done an amazing move. And these things that we always say them, there's something we call the chart patterns. And that's what I wanted to touch on a little bit on the technical analysis side. Chart patterns are really important in trading, and you will spot chart patterns all the time. You just have to be smart about how you spot it, and you have to be patient as well. Now, despite the time frame you're looking at this time, because the time frame will depend on what type of trader you are, despite the time frame, these chart patterns will repeat themselves in whatever time frame. So you need to make sure you're analyzing them on the right time frame for you. Okay, but even looking at them on a different time frame can help you determine what is happening on your own time frame. Chart patterns are really predictive of what's going to happen in the market, and there are different types of chart patterns. I won't go into details on the names, but I want you to see how they have performed even on this chart. This is USD Canadian. So look at this. So this, if this was a daily time frame, the market goes all the way up, comes back down, goes on the same level, and then drops. So as you can see, I have a whiteboard here. Let me just do a bit of drawing. I'm terrible at drawing, but you know what? We're gonna try. So chart patterns. One of the most common ones that I want to focus on is what we call a double top. Okay, or an M, as you call it. You find it doesn't matter how low this one goes, the lower part, but you find that when a chart hits a particular resistance level, chances are it will hit that level again at some point. Now, this does not mean that each time you see a double top, things are going to happen. Remember, there are other confirmations you need to use in the market for you to actually trade. So you don't take a trade based on this particular one, but this is just one of the confirmations that you can use to start trading. So there are many strategies of trading out there. Some people just trade chart patterns. They look at the patterns of the chart. They also, of course, follow the trend of the market, maybe or maybe not. Depending on their strategy, it's easier to follow the trend of the market. Look for a chart pattern as a confirmation of that particular trend and go with it. Okay, so chart patterns are extremely important. So this is what we call a double top. The market goes up as is usual, hits a resistance level up there, comes down or retracts a bit, it goes back and reaches the same resistance level before it drops. Usually when this happens, what do we expect? We expect a major drop. Okay, so if it was an uptrending market, we are expecting a major drop at this particular time. So you could wait for it to come back to this level and then take your trade down here, stop loss up here, and boom, you go down and make money. That is as simple as I can explain it. I don't want to overcomplicate it. So we have different types of chart patterns. We say, I just said that we have a double top, right? This is the double top. We have a triple top. It can drop, and this is signifying a drop in the market. Okay, it means that it has not managed to break a very strong level up here, and therefore the next thing is that the sellers are going to push the market down, and the price is down. Same thing with the triple top, happens the same thing. Sometimes you will find what we call head and shoulder. So you have this, then you have that, then you have that. Again, signifies a drop. There's a strong level here, tried to break it up to here, refused, came back, and now you know what happens? We are going down. The market is going to drop. So chart patterns can help you. And remember, these things also applies when you are trading on the opposite direction, right? So it can also be a confirmation. So you see double bottom, there they are, boom. What do you expect? You expect a proper rise, and this is mostly in a downtrending market, right? Or you see a triple bottom, then boom, there they are. Or you see what we call the inverted head and neck and shoulder, sorry. So it's more like head, shoulder, boom, going up. It's as simple as that. There are many chart patterns that you will see in the market, but this is one of the most common chart patterns that can help you get started on your trading journey. You don't have to think so much about it. You don't have to like stress about it, because I know there's some that will just be stressing you for no reason. So I don't want to like make your life difficult. There are many chart patterns out there. So when you come here on this platform, you can easily see different chart patterns if you want to see them. You can see that the market was on an uptrend, around April, because it's a daily chart. Reached a level, a very strong level up here. Let's draw this level. Reached a strong level up here. Yeah. Hit it once, come back down, hit it the second time on this day. And then what happens? It drops down to this level. That was a nice amount of money you could make in there. And even the candlestick patterns are really nice there. Then what happens when it hits this neckline again, meets another support center, pushes back up to the same level again. Now once again, even if you had not missed this opportunity, you have another opportunity. What happens after that? Drop. And then when it drops down all the way, let's draw another line. It drops down all the way down here. I'm going to draw this line. What happens? It touches that line area once. It touches this line area once, right? Once, and again goes back to the neckline, and see that? Two. Look at that. Amazing play. So it drops after touching here 2 times, goes back down to the same line, hits it once, retracts, gets a neckline, a good resistance level, comes back and hit the exact same spot. Then you get a bullish engulfing. What happens the next few days? This market raises back to this upper level. If you are someone who's doing a swing trader, basically doing on the daily trading, this one is a lot of money. Sorry guys, this is a lot of money you would make on these days. You can easily be making 10,000, 20,000 per day on these trades as you go up. And this would be good for a swing trader who has analyzed the market on a long or a larger time frame or a bigger time frame like this one. So again, see that? It's going to hit that level, and you expect some kind of reaction at that level as well. You can even see the same play around here as well. Let's see. Before, same play around there. Look at how amazing that is. Market comes, hit that level. Again, market comes, hits that level. What happens after that hits that level? Goes back all the way up. clean money. Clean money. Yeah, see that. That's what we call good money. So I am just trying to expand this for your view. Nice. That's a very simple technical analysis that can help your trading even today. So what are you waiting for? Get started, guys. Until next time, this is Ken's Money Matters. I'm out.